welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this beautiful backyard swing. Greg assembled this. It didn't take that long. The instructions were pretty clear. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. He's tying the cushions on right now. You can probably use it with or without the cushions, but I would advise using it with. They are really, really cute. I like that it's got the little shade up here. It's held up with these really big springs, so two people should be able to sit on here without any issue.
This is adjustable too. You can loosen these on both sides and click it at any angle.
Oh, okay, so you can adjust the top piece. Oh, that's kind of cool. So no matter where you set it, you should be able to have some type of shade. Like right now, if you sat on it, the sun would not be in your eyes, which that's good. Yeah, this is really, really cool. I'm afraid the dogs are going to jump on it without knowing it's going to move, so I'm going to have to teach them that it's going to move. It's not staying right here. We're keeping it right here for now to show it to you guys, but we do still have a little snow in the yard. I have a feeling it's going to go back there under the tree once official spring finally arrives. Assembly for this has been pretty easy. The instructions are pretty straightforward, which is really nice. Kira, you going to test out the swing? I don't know if either of you want to jump up on there today. Oh my goodness, look at Eleanor likes to swing. Is it fun? Oh, this is nice. I'm really short and I like that my feet touch the ground. That's really nice. So I actually can rock this thing back and forth on my own. It's really comfortable too. You're gonna have to sit on it, Greg. It's actually really comfortable.
Because if your legs touch, mine will touch.
Yeah, I've always wanted a backyard swing. And I don't have one, so I am really excited about this. This will be great in the summertime, right?
Not today, it's cold.
Not today, it's kind of cold. Go ahead. There you go. In conclusion, this is adorable. I love it. I'm super happy with it. I like that my feet touch the ground. For reference, I am 5 feet 1 inch tall. So if you need to know, it will work for shorter people as well as taller people. This is adorable. Now we're gonna hope we don't get any more snow before spring actually arrives. We recommend this.